Hello, thank you so much for joining us in this new video. In this session, we are going to explore and get acquainted with two televisions from LG. These models truly represent the pinnacle of their offerings for the year 2025. Let's dive right in and get started. We are discussing the 65-inch LG OLED EVO AI G5 and the 75-inch LG QNED EVO AI QNED 85. Let's dive into the key features of each model, and at the conclusion, we'll also cover the functions they share. Let's begin by discussing the OLED. This device incorporates a design known as one wall. This design is quite remarkable because it is specifically meant to be integrated as an elegant decorative element on the wall. The OLED boasts a thickness of just 24.3 millimeters, making it exceptionally thin. Moreover, due to its zero gap support, which, by the way, is included with the purchase, it can be mounted entirely flush against the wall, leaving no visible gap. This results in a much cleaner, more minimalist finish that enhances the overall aesthetic appeal. It weighs 22 kilograms without including any base and can be easily mounted using the 300 by 300 millimeter VESA bracket. Regarding the materials, you'll notice something quite premium with robust finishes and excellent construction quality. On the back, there are physical ports including 4 HDMI inputs of version 2.13 USB ports, an Ethernet port, a digital optical output, and coaxial antenna inputs allowing you to watch TV. In wireless connectivity, incorporates Wi-Fi 6 for a stable and fast connection, ideal for streaming in 4K, and Bluetooth 5.3 to pair compatible headphones control or soundbars without using cables. Regarding controls, this TV features one of the most intuitive on the market, the LG AI Magic Remote, redesigned for minimalism. It functions as an air pointer, letting you move it like a mouse on the screen, making menu navigation smoother, more natural and faster, especially for typing. It has a scroll wheel. The LG ThinQ app not only features a dedicated button for quickly navigating between options, but it also includes dedicated buttons specifically for various streaming services. Furthermore, this model is equipped with a special artificial intelligence, a button that enables even more options, such as voice control. Additionally, this model integrates far-field microphones directly into the TV itself. This means that you can control the TV using voice commands without needing to hold the remote, control or press any buttons, creating a genuinely touchless and seamless experience. You can turn it on, change the channels, adjust the volume, ask for the weather, and do a few other things just by saying commands like turn up the volume, put on Netflix, and more. Moreover, you can use the LG ThinQ app from your cell phone, which lets you control the TV remotely, type faster with the cell phone keyboard, switch inputs, launch multimedia content, and do other things as well. Moreover, it is compatible with AirPlay 2 and Google Cast, enabling you to stream content from almost any mobile device. This means you can do it without needing any cables or dealing with complex setups. Now let's talk about picture quality, which is one of the biggest pillars of the OLED G5. It uses an OLED EVO 4K panel with a 4-layer structure that allows for improved brightness and color coverage without sacrificing accuracy. In fact, it incorporates a feature called Ultimate Brightness Booster, which allows us to offer 3 times more brightness on the screen, and thanks to the technology of self-illuminated pixels, manages to have a perfect black. This quality is verified by UL, a certification that guarantees black purity even in bright ambient light conditions. So whether in brightly lit scenarios, as in dark scenarios, the image will look spectacular. It includes a new Alpha 11 AI processor Gen 2 chip, which allows the application of artificial intelligence image enhancements. It can scale content to 4K resolution with very good sharpness, detect objects on screen too, apply specific enhancements, and automatically adjust brightness and contrast scene by scene. Moreover, it supports all major HDR standards like HDR10, HLG, Dolby Vision IQ, and includes Filmmaker mode, which turns off automatic processing to see content as the director intended. This lets you enjoy movies greatly. Regarding viewing angles, this panel stays perfect even from side views without losing brightness or color fidelity. In addition, it is worth noting that this OLED panel has several certifications to back up its quality. For starters, it has been certified by TOV with the True Visual Experience rating, which signifies that it achieved the utmost perfect level, being precise in every aspect of visual quality and well-lit settings, including black depth, color vibrancy, perceived contrast, gradient accuracy, and contrast modulation with ambient light. This is all according to the IDM's 11.5 to 500 lux standard. It sounds very technical, but overall it gives us assurance that the image will be very good. It also incorporates a solution designed for wellness, its new circadian performance factor, which has been tested and validated by... It has been shown to help reduce sleep disturbance caused by prolonged screen exposure. And if we talk about gaming, the panel has been certified by Intertech with response times below 0.1 milliseconds from gray to gray, giving it a qualified gaming performance certification. This ensures a smooth experience without ghosting, ideal for highly competitive games. Let's move on and discuss the sound quality. The system included in this TV supports 4.2 channels with a total power output of 60 watts, which is quite remarkable for a TV this slim. Thanks to AI Sound Pro processing, the audio adapts automatically based on the content. For instance, it emphasizes dialogues when it detects a movie, or it intensifies the bass when music is played. Moreover, it enhances directionality when Dolby Atmos is activated. This model is also capable of being used alongside a compatible LG soundbar through the Wow Orchestra function. This feature merges the TV speakers with the soundbar speakers, providing an even more immersive and expansive sound field experience. Furthermore, it offers features like the automatic acoustic adjustment, which calibrates the sound according to the acoustics of your room using the microphone of the remote control. And with Clear Voice Pro, you will enhance human voices to prevent them from being lost in scenes with lots of effects or noise. So both the screen and the sound are going to provide us with an excellent experience. We truly are in front of a supreme screen. However, what could be better than listening to a brief test, although keep in mind, it is not the same as hearing it live. Moreover, when connected to computers that have inputs supporting 65 Hz, this device can display this refresh rate. It also functions up to 144 Hz on Dolby Vision inputs and is compatible with variable refresh rates. Furthermore, it supports NVIDIA G-Sync as well as AMD FreeSync Premium, an automatic low latency mode, and the HDR gaming interest group. Response time is nearly instant at 0.1 milliseconds. It includes Game Optimizer to adjust black stabilizer, reduce blue light, and view real-time stats like FPS. So whether you are gaming on a console or a PC, this OLED G5 provides an entirely premium experience. However, what I really appreciate the most is that you will have the capability to stream games, which means you do not even need to have a console physically connected. This feature significantly enhances the environment by keeping it tidy and free from wires. Naturally, you will need a very reliable and fast internet connection, but once you have that, you can connect your Xbox gamepad and you will be all set to access all the subscription content available to you. It offers a variety of streaming platforms, and honestly, I tried it out and it performed exceptionally well. Besides the other streaming platforms that are available, the TV also provides access to a selection of games that you can install locally. Of course, these are straightforward content, but it's certainly appreciated that all of this is readily accessible. Accessing it is really simple and straightforward. As you might have already anticipated, this TV also offers cloud gameplay, which is accessible through various streaming platforms directly integrated into the device. Now let me take a moment to describe the LG QNED Evo AI QNED 85 of 75 inches. As you can see from the name, this TV belongs to the QNED Evo line by LG, which represents its premium range within LCD televisions. It provides a very modern and sleek design, especially when you consider its size. The thickness of this TV is 30mm, which is quite remarkable, especially given the incorporation of mini LED backlighting technology. The TV features thin frames and a central metal base with a good height, which allows you to easily accommodate a soundbar even underneath it. It weighs approximately 33 kilograms when the base is not installed. Regarding the ports, there are 4 HDMI 2.1 connectors, 2 USB ports and optical output, and both Ethernet and coaxial inputs. In the wireless section, it stands out for including Wi-Fi, which is perfect for high-speed streaming, and Bluetooth 5.3 for connecting with headphones and other devices. The controls feature the LG AI Magic Remote, which includes an air pointer, a scroll wheel, and a microphone. Additionally, it has quick access buttons for social media platforms. Furthermore, you can utilize voice commands through the remote to engage with either Google Assistant or Alexa. Moreover, you'll have the ability to use the LG ThinQ app to manage all your TV settings and content type using the mobile keyboard and much more. When it comes to the image quality, we truly have a remarkable panel before us, one that covers a full 100% of the color volume as certified by Intertech. In this instance, it provides us with advanced local attenuation, enhancing the contrast significantly. Additionally, they present a dynamic color that boasts impressive intensity. The latest generation processor upgrades the scaling, identifies the content type, and automatically tweaks the image parameters for optimal viewing. Additionally, it supports HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision, and also includes Filmmaker mode, which provides an outstanding experience when you are watching movies. The sound system is 2-channel with 20 watts of power. This model takes advantage of AI Sound Pro to simulate surround sound up to 9.1.2 channels. It includes acoustic adjustment with remote control, voice enhancement, Dolby Atmos compatibility. It can also work together with an LG bar using WOW Orchestra, allowing you to combine multiple audio systems. Below you will hear a test of the speakers, but remember that it is not the same as listening to it live. When it comes to gaming, beginning with the 75-inch model, it offers support for 144 Hz. To truly benefit from this higher refresh rate, it's essential to use games and PC inputs that are compatible with 144 Hz. This ensures you experience a notably smooth and responsive performance during gaming sessions. Both televisions share a highly advanced technological foundation. We are discussing WebOS 25, the integrated operating system that not only enhances the system's fluidity, but also introduces a comprehensive level of customization through artificial intelligence, which will be capable of predicting and understanding all your preferences. You can set up various user profiles, each with its own favorite apps, playlists, history, and personalized preferences. Thanks to AI Voice ID, the TV has the capability to automatically switch profiles simply by recognizing and listening to the person who is speaking. LG's artificial intelligence also shines through with the AI Concierge feature, which provides content recommendations tailored to your viewing habits. Whether it's finishing a movie or show you were previously watching, it can offer a suggestion of what you might want to continue watching. Additionally, it brings Search, a feature that enables voice searches using natural language to find your favorite content. If you ask a friend, tell them to look up the top movies of 2022. It also includes an AI chatbot to help you explore TV functions without manuals, offering more natural interaction. Speaking of AI, it also has picture and sound wizard for automatic adjustments to enjoy top quality content. This system, as I mentioned earlier, is compatible with Google Assistant, Amazon, Alexa, and Apple HomeKit, enabling seamless integration into systems. Smart home devices are Matter compatible, allowing you to connect various devices and control them from the TV via their app. They support wireless projection tech like AirPlay 2 for Apple and Google Cast for Android. This feature makes it extremely easy to duplicate the phone screen or wirelessly send content like photos, videos, music, or presentations. Additionally, it has a feature called Always Ready, which transforms the TV into an active display even when it's not in use. For example, you can display a piece of artwork on the screen or show a clock, weather, updates, or even your daily agenda, depending on how you prefer to decorate it. And if you connect a USB camera, you could even make video calls directly from the TV with great quality and no hassle. Interestingly enough, they also allow you to open web applications through your browser. So you could even use the TV for work purposes. They can even connect remotely to a computer. Additionally, they have the multi-view function through which you can have two compatible application contents displayed simultaneously. Both TVs are excellent quality in split screen or picture-in-picture mode. So as you can see, both of these televisions are of truly excellent quality. We have now arrived at the conclusion of this video for the moment. I truly hope you enjoyed it.